Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a column cluster chart in VBA Excel. So to create a column cluster chart, I have the sample data over here. From this data, we are going to create a column cluster chart in VBA Excel. First, we are going to see the output of a chart, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding about the code written to create a column cluster chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. So as you can see that this is our column cluster chart in VBA Excel, and this is how our output is gonna look after writing few lines of code to create a column cluster chart in VBA Excel. So let's dive into our VBA editor and let's see what our code has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure to create a column cluster chart in VBA Excel. So the first line of code which we are going to write over here is to select a single cell inside our data range. As you can see, this is our data range and this is the single cell which we are going to select, which is E5, by typing range E5 dot select. After that, in the next line, we are going to type active shape dot shapes dot add chart 2, and inside the brackets we are going to give some parameters. Now let's see what are they. The first parameter is the chart value. So each and every chart has its own value, and for our video the chart value is 2. After that, we are going to give what type of chart we are trying to build. So we are going to build a column cluster chart. For that, we have to write Excel column clustered. After that, we are going to give the top, left and width parameter to position and size our column cluster chart. After that, we are going to close the bracket and then we are going to type dot select. In the next line, what we are going to do is we are going to use the block of width statement or a width block of code to set the title, the chart title, data label, data table, etc. So let's see how we can do that. So after writing width, we are going to type active chart because we have created and selected our chart in this line of code. And in the next line, we are going to type dot has title equals to true, which means we are informing VBA that our chart has a title, and then we are going to set what should be our chart title. For that, we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to and the chart name inside the double inverted comma, which is column cluster chart in VBA Excel. After that, we are going to set some elements to make it more presentable. The first element is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets it will be MSO element data label show, and this line of code will help you to show the data labels inside your chart. After that, in the next line we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element primary value grid lines none, which means this will remove any grid lines inside your chart. After that, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data table with legend keys. So your data table, as you can see over here, your data table with the legend keys are created. And then as you can see, we have the data table and the data label, so we don't require the value access. So to delete the value access, I have typed dot access, and inside the brackets I have typed Excel value, and outside the bracket I have typed delete, and at the end I have written end with. So this block of code, or you can say this line of code, will delete the value access, and this block of code will take care of your chart title, your labels, your table, your grid lines, etc., and the access. So if you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a column cluster chart in VBA Excel. And as you can see that we have selected our chart while creating it. Now to deselect it, we are going to select any empty cell by using range I4 dot select. I4 is this empty cell which I have selected in my worksheet. Now congratulations, you have learned how to create a column cluster chart in VBA Excel. And please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. If you want to learn more about the VBA chart series, then please do visit to our channel. Bye.